Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at the Holiday Inn in Torrance. And actually I've done quite a few nights at this hotel, although it's probably been 3 or 4 years since I've been here. And I've stayed in this exact room before. Not sure if it was on the 5th floor, but yeah. Anyway, one of the times I stayed in this room, there was a bit of a flood there on where the air conditioner was. But so this is I'm not sure if this is a junior suite room. It looks pretty much identical to last time I was here. So the hotel is undergoing renovations, whatever that means. I was kind of hoping the room would be renovated. They still have these Panasonic TVs, which work fine. They're a little small by today's standards. I'm not sure if they're 30, probably like a 32-inch. I've got 2 air conditioning heating units in the windows there with thermostat on the wall. Got some power outlets here. I'm not sure if there's a USB port on that clock radio. And that's one of the challenges with some of the older properties, is trying to find some USB ports. Sometimes you can find them on the TV. And here's the thermostat over here. We've got a telephone. And the remote control there. Got the TV on the stand. Actually, this is a bit of almost like a corner room, so you can kind of see the bit of a view. I seem to recall if the Goodyear blimp is... Oh, actually, it is right there. Yeah. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. Nope. But it is out there just past the freeway, the 405. And this is just sort of the seating area. I kind of like the location of this hotel in Torrance. It's very close to the 405, so if you're heading into LA, Santa Monica, or even a little north of here, it's convenient. And when I go down to the car shows and head south towards Irvine or San Clemente for South OC Cars and Coffee, it's pretty handy for that. Again, right on the 405. And, oh, you know what? I think there is a fridge. Yep. I've got a fridge down there. And a work desk. We got the Holiday Inn often has the Keurig coffee machines. Welcome amenity for being a member. Bag of barbecue chips, bottle of water. And got the ironing board. It has some hangers there. There you can kind of see the corner room. And bathroom pretty much identical to last time I was here. Got the hairdryer over there. Oh, they've got Dove amenities. Maybe it has been a little while since I stayed at a Holiday Inn. I've done a couple Marriotts, a lot of Hyatts lately. Alright, so let's take a look at the breakfast. And I have a couple $20 food and beverage vouchers from reaching 40 nights with IHG, so I might just treat myself to a steak and use those. Yeah, let's take a look at the omelet. And some toast and coffee. Yeah, let's take a look at the breakfast buffet. Got some fruit. The breakfast buffet goes till about 9 a.m. And if you're ordering off the menu, that goes till 10 a.m. Got some cereal, whole milk, soy milk, oatmeal, and some toppings for the oatmeal, some pastries, chocolate muffins. Oh. And, oh, here's the hot food over here. And coffee and juice. Here's the hours of the breakfast buffet, and the entrance and the lobby's just in the distance, and the bar's over there. And we'll have a look at another omelet.